What's up, y'all?
What?
Welcome back, and today we are on another video.
What?
I'm here with my boy, Caden, over there.
What's up?
This is not how we normally set up. He's normally in a different room. Today we thought same room. Y'all can see the iPad.
Where? I live in you.
I don't care. Where we going?
Guys, you wanna...
Am I glitching? Cause I'm glitching.
You're glitching. Am I glitching, William?
No.
Huh?
I mean with my face cam recorder. Okay. Where we going? Let's go up here on the arch.
Well, you know that's a dumb place.
It might be smart. You might have a...
See, it's a wind. You have to get in something.
It might be a tsunami or a flash flood.
Yeah, I'm getting on top of your head.
I'm gonna make you fall. Ooh, I wish I could. No.
I'm getting
What's
on
coming?
top
What's
of
coming?
your head.
I don't like that. I don't like it. What's coming? What's to come? Come on, tell us. Oh, told you, flood. It's a flood. I told you, get up here.
Where?
Hey, it's a flood. Get up here. What did I tell you?
You see a flood.
It's rising.
Oh.
Told him. I told him. What if there's a flood or a tsunami? I said. I accounted for this moment.
What if it starts falling?
Oh, I'm gonna be at the top then. I'm not going on the side.
I'm getting on your heads. No, y'all ain't here. I'm getting on y'all. No.
Y'all like my new cake? Oh.
Freeze.
Don't move. Just don't move.
Keep jump.
Oh yeah, I need to move. Hurry up.
I'm just standing in one spot.
Hurry up. No, I die. I have to survive. Come on. We got to. Yeah, Let's go. Like my new case.
And you took first place on the survival.
Go, self-made, self-paid.
Guys, I have a little help.
Grade.
I have a little help.
Bro, let's go. I was about to
I'm jumping down
die.
here. Ah!
Look at my health, bro.
I died. I just fell down.
Furiation.
We have the gas station. I bet I'll beat you upstairs.
I really don't care. I beat you anyway. I beat you anyway.
No, I've been up here.
No, I was the first one up here.
Hey, I'm going up there.
Dude, I don't know about that.
It's the highest thing.
But you know what could happen? Like, what if there is a storm? You need to get in. I lost. Oh, health! My health. See, told you what I say. I'm always right. Well, not always, but like, I said
Not a storm.
What? I'm about to die. You're about to die. No, I'm about to die.
You're about to die. I'm gonna just chill here. Boy, look at my screen. Alright, peace.
You're gonna die.
Get in here. Hey, boy, look. Oh, I'm not.
Caden, you really should start recording from your perspective and putting your channel.
But how do I record?
Screen record.
Oh.
But don't start now. Well, start now. And he just left the game.
Yep. Cause that's the only.
Join the game. Not that kind of record. Screen. Go back to Roblox. My game. Look at my health.
You're about to die. Not that. Now what's Hey, what's up? What's up, y'all? We lit.
I'm back. I'm about to die, and I'm still surviving.
Boy, watch this. Look in chat.
Oh! No, don't do that. No. Almost made it. I
Boy,
almost
look in the chat.
made it. What do you
Boy, look at it.
Will die. Don't look at my screen. Ugly dude. I said, shut up, CJ. Ugly dude. Prison mugshot. I'm tired of prison already. I just gotta hear.
Boy, look at the chat.
Dumb hair.
What you gonna say? Let me get the president.
It's like once the needle got right.
I say you stupid. I say you stupid. And you know you stupid. Stupid. How come every time we come here, it is literally a blizzard? Like, come on. Mother Nature, you can do better than always have blizzards in prison, okay? You okay then?
Yeah.
I'm letting you out.
Look chat. That's a dumb fat head.
I'm losing health.
Are you? Wait, look at my screen. Wait, look at my screen. You're about to die. Like, you're to die. Oh, I need to get my phone. Into the corner.
Get in the cell. Get in the cell. You get in the cell. I'm on the hunt. I'm after you. I run them down. I'm lost and I'm found. And I'm hung like the wolf. Oh! Dude, shout out to Fortnite Skin 101. 1001.
Fortnite skin.
1001. He said, guys, leave each other alone.
Guys, we just,
You're a piece.
say something.
Go so to my chest.
I say, you are a goodie. William, look at the chat.
That's something.
Right here. Look at the chat. Right here. Look right here.
Free meal, TikTok, 30K, fried chicken.
Oh, my. When I have. Man, can I climb the ladder? Alright, it's tough. It's a tornado.
Oh, what?
Boy, do you see me jumping?
No, I died.
So,
Man, I
I
died.
got a lot of health. Oh, I might die.
Man, I died.
Alright, you know, I need to get on the corner.
Man, I died. Man, I died. Man, I died.
Gosh,
What am I doing with my life?
Well, I am crushing you.
Hey, you. Why you didn't put this up? Where it go?
Hey, this is gonna be my new sign. I'm gonna go.
William,
What's up?
Can I tell you something? Rebecca.
Y'all, what's up?
Hey, William,
What's up,
can I
gang?
tell you something?
What?
Rebecca's my friend.
Huh?
Rebecca's my friend.
What's up, gang? What's up, gang? Welcome back to my channel. Yeah. Ooh.
didn't even die.
Did y'all see Kaden? Did y'all see Kaden? Y'all saw Kaden. Y'all had to see Kaden. And I spawned here. And I spawned here. Right to the next map. Right to the next map. I don't got bars. I don't got blows. Everybody knows I just suck at life. Oh.
I'm gonna go on the ladder. Oh gosh.
How do y'all feel?
Wait, I don't even have a hat. I'm bored.
Bodies, basics,
Or I'm
and
so
education
bad.
and learning. Bodies,
Hey,
basics, and
Hey, calm
education
down,
and
calm
learning.
down. You come look like.
Bodies, basics, and education.
I'm up here.
Oh,
I'm here. How do I get out in the first place?
I should be dead.
William, look. I'm going to be here for it's Tommy
Bodies,
Goff.
basics, and education
Tommy
learning. Bodies, and education and learning. Bodies, basics, and education and learning.
Get in here!
Education learning.
William, do you see me?
I can't get in.
William, put your screen up in here and try to jump.
No, I'm about to die.
Oh, wow. I can see your arms grind. Well, I can't grab mine. I'm the last one. William, look at your screen. You were glitched.
You know what? This ain't cheap. This gonna be the end of the video right here because, yeah, bye.